talk about the importance of staying engaged with your clients once you've made that important introduction to CredEvolv. Today, I just got off a call with a mortgage lender connector partner that frankly has been so good about referring his clients to CredEvolv and seen tremendous success, which we love. But in this particular instance, the client had been referred to us in the mid 500s. The target goal for goal reach was set at 640 by the lender himself. And the client made a tremendous improvement and actually reached that goal, but then ended up going to another lender, which is exactly the opposite of what we try to set up our lenders for success with. So what happened, and admittedly, he said, Tiff, I stepped away for a little while. I became a little detached. And so I wasn't staying on top of the incredible updates that CredEvolv sends to me. I was seeing them, but not really engaging with the client. And so, of course, we want to make that easy for you, right? We're passing notifications. We're creating some really robust reporting for our lender partners so that you don't just see the FICO score improvement, but actually have the ability to engage and view the success plan that's created every month by our counseling partners for the consumer. But we allow you access to view it as well.